Ever wondered why your GPS never says, take a left at the couch, then a right at the fridge, and voila, you've reached greatness? Well, that's because greatness doesn't come with a map. But don't worry, today we're going to find the shortest path to greatness. And no, it's not a shortcut through the drive-thru. Greatness. It's that thing we all want, like Wi-Fi that never drops or a pizza that's always hot. But what is greatness? Is it being the next Einstein, the next Central C, or just being the person who finally folds their laundry on the same day they washed it? Spoiler alert, it's all of the above. Greatness isn't about being perfect, it's about being persistent. And the shortest path to it? It's simpler than you think. Step 1. Start small. Let's say you want to be the next Picasso. Do you start by painting the Mona Lisa 2.0 on your first try? Nope. You start by drawing a stick figure. And if it looks like a potato with limbs, that's fine. Greatness begins with small, consistent steps. Think of it like eating a pizza. You don't shove the whole thing in your mouth at once, unless you're really hungry. You take it one slice at a time. Step 2. Embrace failure. Here's the thing. Failure is like your weird uncle at family gatherings. Awkward, but unavoidable. The difference between those who reach greatness and those who don't? The great ones don't run away from failure. They high-five it and say, thanks for the lesson. Thomas Edison didn't invent the light bulb in one go. He failed 1,000 times, but he called it 1,000 ways not to make a light bulb. So next time you fail, just say, I'm not failing. I'm collecting data for my greatness. Step 3. Be consistent. Consistency is the secret sauce. It's like brushing your teeth. You don't do it once and expect a Hollywood smile. You do it every day, even when you're too tired or binge watching your favorite show. Greatness is the same. It's not about one big moment. It's about showing up day after day, even when it feels like you're getting nowhere. Remember, a river cuts through a rock, not because it's powerful, but because it's persistent. Step 4. Surround yourself with greatness. You know what they say, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So if you hang out with people who think greatness is finishing a Netflix series in one sitting, you might want to expand your circle. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and maybe even annoy you a little because growth is uncomfortable. Greatness is contagious. Catch it. Step 5. Celebrate the wins. Here's a fun fact. Greatness isn't just about the destination. It's about enjoying the journey. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Finished a book? Dance like nobody's watching. Finally cooked something that didn't set off the smoke alarm? Treat yourself to dessert. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're on the right path. So, what's the shortest path to greatness? It's not a secret formula or a magical shortcut. It's about starting small, embracing failure, staying consistent, surrounding yourself with greatness, and celebrating every step along the way. And remember, greatness isn't about being the best. It's about being your best. Now go out there and take your first step or your next one. And if you fail, just remember, even Beyoncé had to learn how to sing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's on their own path to greatness. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, amazing, and slightly cheesy life advice. See you next time.